Hi, are you ready to meet me? Let's go!
Good day everyone. My name is Rafael Mateo Montesinos, 17 years old. I live in Poblacion, Taboylan, Cebu. A grade 12 cookery student from Juan Pamplona National High School. What is your dream or goal in life? My dream or goal in life is to be a successful and become a seafarer. This dream is important to me because being a seafarer will help me build a good future and support my family. What is cookery? Cookery is a skill and practice of preparing food and cooking food. It includes things like choosing ingredients, cutting and mixing to make meals that are safe, tasty, and nutritious. Why do you use cookery? I chose the cookery strand because I like cooking. I enjoy preparing food. I want to learn new kitchen skills, and I want to use these skills for my future. How will apply your learnings sa cookery strand? I will use what I learned in the cookery strand in my daily life. I will cook simple meals at home, follow recipes, and keep the kitchen clean. These skills will help me take care of my family and be more responsible, and they can also